Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. My name is Diana. I did a passion project back in October with Carvana to help put 100 boxes of food on the table for people who can't provide food for themselves. I've personally experienced this. I've been lucky enough to be in various different career paths in my life. In between jobs, it was hard to put food on the table. It was either pay bills or put food on the table. So it just made me a little bit more empathetic to the situation since I've been there, and we actually accomplished our goal and helped some people out that really needed it. Mother Nature is not being kind today.